Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete YouTube videos. Are you having second thoughts about a video you once thought was a stroke or genius? No need to panic. Whether it's accidentally uploading a private blog, realizing your video doesn't meet your lofty standards, or simply not being on brand for your channel, this guide, I will show you how to delete a YouTube videos. So, keep your device handy and watch until find out how to make your digital missteps disappear faster than you can say viral fail. On Android, it's possible to delete YouTube videos from your mobile device. So, whether you have an Android or iOS device, all you need to do is follow this video. First, on your YouTube, click on your account icon in the top right-hand corner. Then, locate the videos you want to delete and click the three dots beside it. Click on Delete and confirm your decision by clicking Delete again. YouTube doesn't have a direct feature to recover permanently deleted videos. It's usually impossible to retrieve it through standard means to restore deleted files. So, content creators must exercise caution when deleting videos to avoid irreversible loss. To prevent accidental deletions, consider using the private setting to hide videos from the public instead of deleting them entirely. And deleting a YouTube video typically removes it from search results and public views almost immediately. However, the removal may take some time to propagate through all YouTube servers and systems. In some cases, users can still access the deleted video briefly through direct links or cached versions. Still, eventually, the video is no longer accessible to the public. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.